Guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam, and today we're getting ready to make barbecued baked beans and smoked sausage. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely amazing. The smoked sausage gives it this real rich smoky taste. Ooh, delicious, delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, we are back and we're getting ready to go over the ingredients for this amazingly delicious barbecue baked beans. And oh my goodness. Now I have some smoked sausage here. I'll also need green pepper, a little bit of brown sugar. I am using some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can use whatever your favorite is. And I'm also using some Van Camp pork and beans. Just a tad bit of oil because we gotta fry up our smoked sausage first. Okay, I will have all the ingredients and measurements in the description so you can make it at home in your kitchen too. Okay, so smoked sausage. First thing, just put just a tad bit of olive oil in your skillet. I'm using my cast iron skillet. Use whatever skillet you want. Heavy bottom is best. Go ahead. Make sure your skillet is nice and hot. And we're going to spread this out because we want it to get nice and brown before we start to flip it. So just spread it out in as much of a single layer as you can. May not be perfect depending on how much smoked sausage you have. For your barbecued baked beans, this smoked sausage is smelling delicious already and it just hit the stove. Okay, so now while our smoked sausage is cooking, we are going to prepare our bell pepper. This little stem out the way. Only going to use about half of it. Make sure you take your seeds out. Don't need those in there. And again, you can slice it up any way you want, but I like to dice mine. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do, make sure you have an oven-proof dish and go ahead and put your baked beans in there. To that, we're going to add our brown sugar. We're going to add our Baby Ray's, and I will have the measurements and things down in the description for you, and some of our green peppers. Now, the reason I'm using half in the dish and I am cooking half with the smoked sausage is because I like to have some green peppers inside of the baked beans that actually have a little bite still to them. And these will cook and be softened and we'll get that good flavor in there, and these will provide an actual different flavor and texture. So we want to go ahead and mix that well, and let's head on over to the stove so we can see if it's time to add in our green bell peppers. Okay, so we got that good char on there that we're looking for. So go ahead and flip them over. Just stir them around. You don't have to flip them over one by one. Stir them around and go ahead and add in your green bell peppers. Soon as we char the other side a little bit, they'll be ready to add to the baked beans and get into the oven. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees at this point so that it can be getting ready too. Oh my goodness, this smells amazingly delicious. Delicious. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so now we are ready to add our baked beans in. And you know what? This skillet has so much flavor. I am not going to put the smoked sausage into the baked beans. I'm putting the baked beans into my skillet because that's just amazingly, and that's what you should do. So make sure you have an oven-proof skillet that you're cooking them in. Stir it around. Then we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, or until you can tell it starts to set across the top of your dish. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. All right, we'll be back. Okay guys, we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? And it smells amazingly delicious. Oh my goodness guys, if you could just smell this. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it out. Tell everyone you know that Pam over here at Cooking at Pam's Place is cooking up easy, simple, made from scratch meals that you can make in your kitchen too. Oh my goodness, delicious! And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.